What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. And in this video, I just want to talk to you guys about the 3 trades I took today and the 3 trades that went against me today. Timing is everything, and my timing was off today. And I just want to share you guys the loss and basically how I think I lost the money. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this bad boy over here. Let's change these. Let's make this the 5-minute. Make this to 5 minutes so I can. All right, so my first trade, I missed my first entry simply because I wanted to wait the first 30 minutes. I didn't want to take calls from this area. I was dead set on taking calls from this 450 area, so I didn't get in here for these calls. Once I missed this one and basically missed that entry, I said, okay, I'll be looking for shorts up here at 452. Long story short, we started pushing up. I didn't like how volume increased on this candlestick right at this key area. Sellers started to slightly come in, very barely at all. And I started to see on this candlestick, on this selling candlestick here, that volume started to increase slightly. So, I'm like, sellers might come in here. So I bought 3 contracts. My stop was like above this high, the previous high right here. Eventually we broke above, stopped me out for around $33. Second trade, I said, okay, we reclaimed it to the downside. Give me 1 second. We reclaimed it to the downside. So I said, all right. But the thing is, I didn't quite look at the volume here at this point in time. I seen that we broke above and reclaimed it again. So I said, okay, buyers might actually be dying off here and sellers could come in. We could at least see a pullback down to this 452 area. I wasn't looking for anything drastic, no drastic moves to the downside. I really just wanted a nice little scalp, a nice pullback on price that we've never gotten. It seems to be the same price action as the week before, last week, when kind of like stall under our levels and just break right above with a lot of strength. So that trade made me lose another $32. So I was down like 60 something dollars at this point. My last trade, I said, okay, forget this noise. I'm gonna go with buyers since we're, originally that's all I wanted to take was calls. I was trying shorts simply because it went along with my plan, even though the market is not providing any pullbacks right now. So long story short, I tried call options. Where I messed up was I didn't quite wait for the pullback. We kind of broke above once it stopped me out and price kind of pushed back down and started to reclaim it. I got in right here for call options. My stop was literally like right here at this 452.51 was my stop. We started to reclaim, boom, reclaim the level to the downside, and this candlestick is where I got stopped out. And 5, 10, and 15 minutes later, buyers came in like a semi truck and just took this bad boy all the way up. At that point in time, price was bouncing off our EMAs on the 15-minute. Let's look at this 15-minute, see if it still looks the same so I can show you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see here, I want you guys to see this. Price bounced right off of this EMA. What I'm trying to do is, on days of super strength in either direction, I should wait until price closes below both EMAs, simply because if we're riding on EMAs like this, we could see minor pullbacks to the EMAs just to bounce right off of it. And that's basically exactly what we did. We bounced off of those EMAs there. And I took $100 loss here, which netted me, like I said, like negative 169 on the day or something like that. Oh yeah, I'm down basically 169. I'm also in 460 swing contracts right now. 5 contracts. I bought them for around $33. Risking about $18 per contract. So I'm risking around Was that $85? I'm risking around $85. So my risk to reward here is like, I say 1 to 5, 1 to 5 right now. So if these play out, these will be paying, but I'm not really concerned on payout right now. I'm just concerned that I just took the trade in the right area. I see, like I said, barely any pullbacks during the day. Only pullback was to this 451 area. But other than that, for the rest of the week, I will no longer be trying shorts until the daily trend has flipped into a downtrend. Simply because if I didn't even try those 2 shorts, I wouldn't even be down $100 on a day. Although it's fine because I still followed my plan. But it can be a little frustrating sometimes. It can be a little frustrating. But that's just, the nature of the game, how it's played. But yeah, other than those entries, I really had no other entry to go long here. We never broke and retested, even though I wouldn't be trading at this time anyway, simply because the volume slows down a lot in power hour. But yeah, I really had no other entries today besides the 6:30 at market open, and I'd say these 451 pullbacks here. Other than that, that's really the only valid entries I have here. We didn't get a valid break and retest here, but if I would have waited for those EMAs, then I would have gotten paid today. But it's all good. It's just the beginning of the week. But I really appreciate everybody for tuning in, and don't ever let anybody tell you that, you can't be what you want to be in life. Like me, I want to be a day trader. I want to be one of the best day traders. And I just keep going no matter what, no matter the losses I take. I just want to be transparent with you guys, to see that you're not going to win all the time. You have your ups and downs in the market. It's all about how are you going to get up from those losses, and how are you going to learn from those losses to implement the lessons you learned into the next trading day. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.